Here are three simple ways you can reset your throttle position sensor. First, you have to insert the key on the key module, turn on the ignition, and wait for a while. Then you depress the throttle pedal. Yeah, slowly. You go down slowly for 3 seconds and hold for extra 3 seconds again, and then you release. Repeat the process again and again. As this could help to bring back the throttle position sensor back to its original state as a result of connecting with the ECM module. So after you're done with the process, you go ahead and turn off the key starter. So that's the first step to reset your throttle position sensor. You repeat the process 4 times. And the number 2 way to reset your throttle position sensor is the terminal removing method. So on the terminal removing method, before you can do that, make sure you turn off your engine, or if the ignition is on, do well to turn off. Then the next is you are going to locate the battery area. On the battery area, we have 2 connectors, which is the negative and the positive. We call it terminal head. So you have to disconnect the negative and you disconnect the positive. After you've disconnected the both, the next you are going to do is to combine the negative and the positive. Join the both together. Doing this, it will make the current in the car to collide, and after it collide, then automatically it will burn off. So hold for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, then you disconnect both and connect back the negative, and then you connect the positive also. So after you've connected the both, you are good to go. So when this is being done, then the car's current will just burn off and everything will come back to its original state. So just go ahead and turn on the ignition and then you start the engine. The number 3 method we are going to talk about is using the OBD scanner. You are going to use the OBD scanner to reset the throttle position sensor. So we have different type of throttle position. We have different type of scanner. We have the wireless and the wired OBD. So for the wired, you connect and you plug in. Then for the wireless, you plug in also at the scanning point. Then once you've plugged in to the scanning point, then turn on your ignition. Make sure the ignition is on, not on a steaming mode. Just make sure to turn on the ignition, and then you click on the OBD scan to reset your throttle position sensor. You reset the vehicle totally and the throttle position sensor would be restored back to its original state. So if you find this video helpful, I'm so much in appreciation. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.